What's up everybody? In this video we are going to hike to a glacier. Yo! More! Nah, it's okay, good job. Where are we right now? So, we are at the start of the Rob Roy trek after 1 hour and 45 minutes on the craziest road I've ever driven on. It was quite a gravel road. And the road goes like... Getting ready for the hike. And it's a beautiful day. We checked the weather forecast. And they said no cloud in the sky. And they were right, or not. Bam! Lock everything, just in case. Safety first. This is a second safety thing. This is second layer. We have a whole safety list. Contains 50 points where you have to go before we start a hike. And what's the third thing on our list before we start the hike? We have to wait for Maurits, because he always needs to take a massive second one. You know what I mean? Somewhere over there. That little. So when you're in Wanaka, you can do the Roy's Peak trek. It's very famous, but also very busy. So just 2 hour ride from Wanaka, you can also do this hike. And it's not busy at all. What is that? Shit. They're running wild and free. Look at them go. Maurits speaks the language of the cows. What is the downside of all the cattle running wild and free? Shit on my shoes.
We're gonna cross our first really cool suspension bridge.
Right over there.
So we are waiting for Art. Come on, Art! We just passed the suspension bridge and now we are in the natives. In the natives. Green, lush bush.
First viewpoint coming up. So that was the first viewpoint of the Rob Roy Valley. This is the second part of the hike. We're gonna climb over a mountain and then we're gonna have the best viewpoint of Rob Roy Glacier. You're still hanging in there? Yeah, sweating like a beast. Man, but it's gonna be flat. Nice. Back in the shade. Feels really cool in here. Just like in the jungle in Colombia. You know, shade is your best friend on hot days. Hot days. Hot days. Woo! Do you feel like Bear Grylls? Yeah. Yeah? Do you? Sometimes I really do. I'm a big fan. Big fan. So in the process of making all the shots, we lost our third road rebel and friend, Maurits. So we have to continue the trek fast.
Oh, sorry. We're in a hurry. We have to find our friend Maurits. Oh, what? Yeah, we had to make a stop to get a sick beetle shot. How's it going?
Very good.
Yeah? If you got it, let it go on. You got it? Yeah. Back to it. Hello! Run, Forrest, run! How's it going, Art?
He is back!
So he finally found Maurits.
He was actually behind us. He was taking a side path for a pee. And now he caught up. So the three road rebels back reunited. A side track. We're gonna see how cold the water is. There's a little bit of a current. Heel current.
So we can't swim over here because of the current. We can't dip our heads in.
Yay!
Woo! Ice cold. Ice cold. Woo!
Hey! It's Art's turn. We got ice cold. It's too cold to swim, but not cold enough to dip your face in. It rhymes. Having a lunch break.
This is the lower lookout point. From here you can already see the glacier and a very special waterfall.
Three, two, one. The mountains are so high here, it's impossible to capture that with the camera. And there's the waterfall. So all the ice from the glacier is melting and it starts coming down. Pretty impressive. There's so much ice, even in summer. We have made it to the end point of the trek, the Rob Roy trek. An apple a day.
The doctor away.
After 3 hours of hiking, we arrived at this beautiful place. Like 10 waterfalls, maybe even more. A glacier on top of the mountain, blue sky, an apple for Arwin. What more can you wish for? It's a good day in New Zealand. So it's time to leave Rob Roy behind. We made it back to the lookout. It's already 4 o'clock, so it's time to wrap it up. Is it 5 o'clock?
I think it's 5.
Oh. We're gonna drive back to Wanaka, where we're gonna have our deserved fish and chips. After that we're going to Queenstown, but that's for the next vlog. See you guys then. Ciao. Ciao.
Go!